The Crusades, the Renaissance, and the Age of Discovery. Introduction. Between the 11th and 16th centuries, Europe underwent a series of transformations that shaped the modern world. The Crusades, beginning in the late 11th century, sparked cultural and economic exchange between Europe and the Muslim world. This interaction contributed to the Renaissance, a period of intellectual and artistic rebirth, which in turn fueled the Age of Discovery, when Europeans explored and colonized distant lands. 1. The Crusades 1096–1291, a series of religious wars launched by European Christians to reclaim Jerusalem and other holy lands from Muslim control. While militarily they failed to establish long-term control, the Crusades had profound effects. Cultural exchange. Europeans were introduced to Muslim advancements in medicine, mathematics, navigation, and architecture. Trade expansion increased demand for Eastern goods such as spices, silk, and glass. Knowledge transfer. Ancient Greek and Roman texts, preserved by Muslim scholars, were reintroduced to Europe. 2. The Renaissance, 14th–17th century, a cultural and intellectual movement that began in Italy and spread across Europe. Inspired by classical learning and fueled by knowledge from the Muslim world. Key features are humanism, focus on human potential, creativity, and individual achievement. Scientific progress. Scholars like Copernicus, Galileo, and Leonardo da Vinci studied nature using observation and experimentation. Artistic innovation. Artists like Michelangelo and Raphael produced works with perspective, realism, and emotion. Printing technology helped spread ideas rapidly. 3. The Age of Discovery, 15th–17th century, a period of global exploration driven by economic ambition, curiosity, and advances in navigation. Factors leading to exploration. Desire for direct trade routes to Asia, avoiding Muslim-controlled territories. New navigational tools such as the compass, astrolabe, and improved maps. Stronger ships like the caravel. Major explorers. Christopher Columbus reached the Americas 1492. Vasco da Gama sailed to India around Africa's Cape of Good Hope 1498. Ferdinand Magellan led the first circumnavigation of the globe. Consequences. Expansion of European empires. Exchange of goods, ideas, and diseases between continents. Columbian exchange. Beginning of European dominance in world trade and politics. Conclusion. The Crusades opened Europe's eyes to new cultures and knowledge, laying the groundwork for the intellectual revival of the Renaissance. The Renaissance's spirit of curiosity and innovation paved the way for the Age of Discovery, which reshaped global history through exploration and colonization. Together, these periods marked Europe's transformation from a relatively isolated region into a central player in world affairs.